Hi guys, I'm Ken, boring fisherman. Sitting here looking at my 22 Electra Glide. I got some goodies. I've got the crash bars that go at the saddlebags, and I'm going to put them on there. And I kept those little drink holder storage pouch things off of my 96 Electra Glide. So I think I'm going to try and make them fit. So anyhow, I'm going to get started here. I'm going to pull the backrest off. It's quick release. Just uses these little cam things. Pull them up and roll them both sides. Stiff because it's new. And I'm going to pull this screw out to take the seat off. And this one I think has 2 bolts under it. Filming by myself, so I'm just going to do the stuff and show you what it takes. So I'm going to get those off and set them out in the grass. And then I'll pull this bag off and the side cover, and we'll go from there. Well, I got that stuff off. And it was 2 bolts on the back of that front seat. And somebody's taking these bolts out. Probably whenever they put that Mustang seat in. The neighbors are riding by on bicycles. So anyway, I'm going to go find some bolts for those. And then these bolts have to come out. There's one here, and one here. And I got to undo the muffler. Then this bracket's going to come off. And the stuff that's in that box is going to go on. Alright. Found some grade 8 bolts, cadmium plated, with washers. And they fit the holes and they go all the way down. So I'm going to use those. And then I'll get this stuff taken apart. And I'll show you how the new parts go together. Alright. So, got my muffler undone. And I got the stock saddlebag bar off. Now my kit came with new muffler hardware. So I'm going to use that. This piece has an open end. I'm going to stick that there and hope it doesn't fall down. So that's going to go in like that. And then this piece that I haven't taken out of the bubble wrap yet goes on there. Alright. Got everything kind of just started by fingers. I'm going to put everything together with Loctite. I got some blue Loctite. But that is the saddlebag guard. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing all put together. Get the saddlebag back on, and I'll let you know how it looks. Well, there it is. Everything on this side's reassembled with some blue Loctite. Everything except for this little bolt, because it had an eye lock. And little drink holder things fit. Wife approved. There we go with the saddlebag back on. Little luggage pouch. Just off the exhaust. Did not change the spacing or anything. Changing that bar. And here's the other side. No crash bar. Versus crash bar. Alright, well. Now those are both added. Pardon my mess I got going on here. Got the crash bars now. They definitely go beyond the bags. They're gonna do their job. If I ever drop this thing, it'll keep them bags from getting tore up. That's what I wanted. This is the first real thing that I've done to this bike. I've already had the First service done on it. Haven't even had it a month yet, and I've already had the first service done. I did add these highway peg things, but that doesn't really count because I didn't have to actually unbolt anything to do it. But there we go. And I was going to mention, if you're going to work on your Harley, don't forget this guy right here. That's your battery tender plug. You don't want to leave that under your side cover, and it'll be hard to get to. And yeah, they all have them. Come from the factory with them. Anyhow, I believe this will conclude my install video for these TCT-MT budget crash bars. Anyhow, like, share, subscribe.